Amy. Today I will test how to use the third button on the smart key to start or stop an engine with car. Now, don't press the third button for 3 seconds. Now we can see the start-stop and button. The light is on. Now don't press it again. The red and the blue lights flash at the same time. Now the engine is stopped. I will special remind that the orange wheel is the handbrake wheel. It must be to be connected. Now I will remove it. Don't press the third button again. The remote start or stop engine is low signal. Thank you very much.